To enroll in Zelle on your TD Bank account, start by opening the TD Bank app on your mobile device and logging in. Once you're logged in, your home screen will display various options, including Zelle, which you'll need to select. After clicking on Zelle, you'll be prompted to get started, and you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions of the external transfer and send money with Zelle payment service. Next, choose the account you'd like to use for sending and receiving money, and select either your email address or phone number to associate with your Zelle account. Tap Continue to proceed, and you'll be sent a 6-digit verification code to the email address or phone number you provided. Enter the verification code, and then tap Verify. You'll then see the account that will be used for Zelle transactions. So review and confirm the account details by tapping Confirm Account. With these steps completed, you'll have successfully enrolled in Zelle on your TD Bank account.